Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my master bathroom cleaning routine. If you have not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, fam. Thank you so much for subscribing. As you guys can see, this bathroom was in desperate need of a cleaning. So I'm going to start by spraying everything down. So I'm using my DIY vinegar cleaner in my bathtub and shower. It is just vinegar, a little bit of Dawn dish soap, and a tiny bit of water. Now I'm just going to spray down the toilet with Lysol. I'm also going to go in and add some Ajax to the toilet bowl because there's a ring. The bleach in the Ajax is going to help scrub and get that stain out of the toilet. I'm going to start clearing off the counters. Of course, mine is worse than my husband's. I'm going to go ahead and spray the counters down with that same Lysol. This is the Brand New Day scent. It actually smells really good. It's light, kind of fresh. It's not overpowering, not flowery kind of smell. It smells really good. Dark brown stains on my countertop was makeup, y'all. From me touching my face, touching the makeup, touching the counter, it was gross. So now I'm just going to go ahead and spray down the mirrors with glass cleaner. This is foam glass cleaner that I believe is from Dollar Tree, but I will double check. into the shower. So I've already sprayed everything down to give the cleaner time to break down all of the soap scum and dirt. I'm just going to go in with the rough side of my sponge and wipe down the walls. This has to be the smallest shower stall in the history of bathrooms. So now I'm going to take my handy dandy cup and rinse out the shower. So the bottom portion of the shower was more dirty than I initially thought, so I had to go back in with Ajax. So while the Ajax is working its magic, I'm going to go in with a damp dryer sheet to clean the glass on the door. This was my first time using this trick, you guys, and this worked so well. Like, I was shook. You basically just take a dryer sheet, dampen it, and wipe down the shower glass. Now, it will take a little bit of elbow grease if you have built up soap scum like I did. I've given the Ajax time to break down all of the dirt. I'm going to go in with my scrub brush and just scrub the bottom part of the shower. So the Ajax worked really well to get all of the stains and dirt out, but it took forever to rinse it out of the shower because it's so grainy. One of those scrubbers that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. You can put the cleaner inside of the handle. I'm just going to use that to clean out the bathtub. I normally use a towel to clean the toilet, but this sponge was on its last leg, so I just went ahead and used it to clean the toilet this day. While I was cleaning the toilet, I noticed that the toilet seat was loose, so I went ahead and took the toilet seat off, and that actually gave me the opportunity to clean where the toilet seat connects to the toilet, and it was gross. There was urine all underneath where the toilet seat connects to the toilet. So if you live with boys, especially because they spray everywhere, you definitely need to take off your seat probably, I would say once a week at least. Of course, I have to clean the outside of the toilet and the floor around it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and separate my husband's laundry that he has conveniently left piled on the floor. Take out this overflowing trash and put away all of my cleaning supplies. To the floor, I'm just going to use my vacuum to vacuum up all of the dirt and the mini hairballs that I've created. This is the end result, you guys, all nice, clean, and sparkly. thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.